screw into that stud. Okay? The colder it is, the colder the temperature, the slower it cures. The hotter it is, the faster this will start curing on you. So you just make sure you're right on the line. Okay. Normally what I like to do is I like to have a couple of concrete blocks. Could be a 4 or a 6, and you'll leapfrog, and you'll just keep putting the block on there. Okay. Okay. This is going to slide right over the top of it. We're going to glue the bottom, and we're going to put it down on top. I'll do one, and then I want you to do it so you feel it, because you don't just pull the trigger. You work on that. Okay, you want to sweep that off? Is that a square? You have a square on it? Give me a square now. Go back here a little bit. Yeah, a little more. Okay. You want to do that one?
Doesn't matter, does it have a side, the bottom of the top?
Yeah, top is the castle top. Okay? Yeah, this. So straighten it out first. I always you overdo it so it holds. Okay? And when the first time you do it, make sure there's nobody standing like me here, and you start doing it. It's your first time, because I'll end up with glue all over me. So I'm going to move out of the way. Fill it up a little more. There you go. More. A little heavier. Go back a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. We'll flip it over.
You need this one now? Oh, no, yes, this is the corner.
I think you leave it right there for now. Right there, put it down right there.
No, todavía. We don't put none on that corner?
Hmm?
We don't put none on that corner?
Glue?
Yeah.
I already did. Yeah, I glued that one. Okay, now you're gonna poke a hole. You have you have a sheetrock saw?
The jet saw, you got it on the other side, right?
just on this side of the stud. At the same level as you see that hole right there, come over here and poke a hole
Where's the stud?
right there.
So in the
Yeah.
stud area?
Yeah.
Or to the right of it, left of it?
Hold on. Yeah, you're a little far over.
So this is the stud.
Yeah, you
So
see the
this-
stud? You
Yeah.
see, that's the mark for the stud.
Right.
You want to be right next to the stud.
So right in here.
Yeah. You can, just enough to get the fine.
And then
Okay.
the other side of the stud, right?
Yeah, no,
The ones that you gave me?
yeah, yep. Pull hard.
It doesn't stay.
Hmm?
It doesn't stay. Backwards, yeah, backwards.
Okay, let's do the same thing here. Hey, could somebody bring down a package of the corners?
They're right here.
Oh,
Those
so
are
here.
T's. Those are
Yeah.
T's.
Okay.
You don't want T's, you want corners.
Yeah.
Corners? These are all, corners and T's are the same?
No, the corners are just 90s.
Okay. There's a whole, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Now give me this saw for a sec. You're just gonna take this little bit off here. So that's clear. There you go. Just give me one of those. Okay. And just take your saw. Right there.
Oh, it goes all the way in?
Yep. Okay. That's it out. That's not enough. Now let's get you're gonna have a half block now. So take a block and measure 24 inches and we're gonna cut both sides.
So ven, bicho. Córtame el coche aquí.
How long until that gun starts
No,
drying
con el
up?
soso que yo compré.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Like I said, maybe every week you squirt it just to clear out anything
No,
that's
but I'm
in
saying
it.
right here, right now.
No, you won't have to worry about it.
The end of that block right here is skewed in a little bit. Does that make?
We'll have to draw it back a little bit.
Seems like it's just the end of this one. See, this one's good. Oh, you got your foot on it.
Dale una tapita.
We're turning here anyway, so. Now look below.
Yeah, if you have, once you get the theme of how it's starting to get put together, you know, you could have one guy starting to cut a few like that, so they're ready for the next
Tráete la
one.
sierra de mi batería y con la sierra dale unas 4 si quieres. Técnica ya.
Now this is gonna get turned like this, right? But what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue it first. Okay?
This one.
Yeah, we're gonna glue that one in place. So that's
So we just
20.
throw it on top of the other one, or we do it like the bottom one? Sorry.
A Just out of curiosity, would you want to cover this seam this way?
What's that?
Would you want to go this way? Covers this one.
They're all gonna be covered.
Oh, you're saying like that it's going like this.
Yeah, instead of doing this way because it's got a seam, this will overlap this maybe.
Well, what's gonna happen, it'll be dropped back to here. Are your studs lined up? Yeah, you're off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's just
Gotta go
like-
that way.
Yeah, it's gotta go that way.
Okay. So all of the corners are gonna line up with each other. It's the bottom line. That's all.
Now, you're only gonna be using the foam on the corners and on the bottom. The only place else you're gonna use foam is when you're doing the, if there's, we're gonna foam a little bit.
Underneath on the bottom. Corners in the bottom of every
Form. Yeah. Okay. So then get the other one, we're gonna put that one in and you can slide the corner over.
Loco, ¿dónde está? Loco. Solomon no puede hacer eso. Parece que ahí estuvieran.
Give us a full one,
El
right?
otro.
Or another half one now?
No, where's the other half?
El otro está ahí. Ah, papá, hombre. El
I
otro.
got it. You said this one, this one, on the corner. So you got to make sure that your cut edge here goes this way, not to the corner.
Yeah, so you're not gonna have to use glue under everything. Normally, like on the running wall, you don't need glue.
Just the bottom.
Just on the bottom and on the corners. And only one back. Okay, you could flip that.
One back in each
Like,
course.
yeah, and now here, because it's so close here, we're gonna end up with,
A lot,
it's all
yeah,
gonna
good.
get foam.
Yeah. And you don't need the foam this vertical.
Yeah, do you wanna squirt some foam in there? You could actually put it in there and back out.
¿Hago varios cortes? ¿Ah? Sí, corto unos,
Now,
corto unos 6 ya.
grab a corner. Okay, take the,
Remember these two? Remember these? That's the Christmas party. You had some of these on that night, huh?
goes right down. And start at the same time. Okay, now the one thing you gotta know about this, you hear that squeak when it goes down? You know what that sound is?
It's good.
It's the sound of money, because you're making money when you're doing this, okay? Now just take that and cut that down just a little bit. I always told the kids that when we were growing up, because I always have samples in the back of my drum and they say, oh, I can't stand that sound. Don't complain, that's the sound of money.
So now we just zip tie it.
Let's get one of those.
Loca, no tienes que hacer nada. Ven. Lo que vas poniendo porque aquí. Dile. Lo voy poniendo, lo tienes así. Y le vas aplastando flash para abajo. Ok.
Good.
Zip tie it.
Now we could run this out or we could run
Yes.
back this way. What do you want to do?
Zip tie it.
Oh yeah, put the zip ties in.
Vas haciendo esto aquí, acá abajo. En el límite ahí, mira, en el límite aquí. Un pequeño plástico, dice que abajo, el plástico ahí. Con el fibra, el mismo bloque de esto aquí para acá. Que pase nada más. Entonces, ya le coges los trocitos de ahí, le mandas por ahí y le mandas por tu hueco de aquí. El hueco ahí y le toques. Este de aquí, que más de aquí, para que puedas jalar así más fácil. Porque si no le estás Están listos para allá, sí. Dale, dale. Y acá al otro lado también, similar. Siempre va a haber el huequito ahí. Ahí está, mira. El coso. Toma. Limpia ahí con dedo.
Hey, run that out a little bit right there. Get some of this stuff out of the way, right?
Yeah, why not?
¿Dónde está mi coso? El tool. Entonces mi herramienta. Ahí bien. Está bacano este coso. Pum.
Stretch it out.
Dice, tienes que hacer así una sola para que se enreque ahí. Vas ahí. No olvides, espera. No te me lo voy a enseñar. Te enseño. Te voy a amontonar aquí. Te voy a amontonar ahí. Amontonando. No, sí, hay que hacerlo por uno. Uno por uno. Ahí.
Okay,
Paras.
flip it over.
Le das la vuelta.
Oh, there you go.
Ya. ¿Sí? Ya.
Watch the line now.
Quedas la línea.
Right there. Yep.
Ahí sostén los ratos para que seque. Ahí está. Y vamos a probar. Trae otro.
Okay.
Se seca más.
Okay, we're gonna run it right to the wall, and then we're gonna put some in-wall bracing in.
Tírale. Ponle.
Stretch it out. Go over. There you go.
¿Está puesto la línea? Sí. Cosita plátale, calcúlale, que quede amontonadito. Cosita madre. No le vayas muy rápido, dale suave.
How long you been doing this kind of work, Fred?
20 years in business myself, but I used to be an engineer for the city of New York.
¿Cómo le vas a poner
Oh,
esto?
yeah.
¿A todas las dimensiones?
High pressure power
Ah,
plants.
no creo que las esquinas. Sí, son las esquinas.
Shovel coal.
Pregúntale, ¿no? Pregúntale.
Solo en las esquinas.
Solo las
Maybe
esquinas.
backside.
Claro, pregúntale.
No, I didn't.
Por eso te preguntaba una cosa.
¿Cómo le pregunto a la persona que no sabe?
¿A vos te funciona?
Where I graduated from,
Vamos a llegar a ese proceso todavía yo.
technical school.
Se imaginaba que es todo, pero está bien.
Le hizo del otro lado de la esquina. ¿no?
Ok, so aquí está bien, aquí está
Tírale.
bien. Aquí son las esquinas entonces.
Miras, vamos los dos. Cuando suena así, es que viene la plata.
Aprendió muy bien, Luis.
Wait, estás mal tú.
Yo también. Trae 8 más. Yo le sostengo hasta que vos vienes, yo le sostengo aquí. Unita más para esto. Alístame un tubito de...
We can't do this one. We gotta get the in-wall bracing in. We'll finish this up, and then we'll put that in.
¿Qué dices?
Un tubito de este aquí, prepara. Aquí está bien, ahí está el otro hermano.
¿No hay que agitarlo o algo?
¿Ah?
¿No hay que agitar esto?
No hacía bien la presión. Pues. Antes que comience
Yeah, so how'd you get out of doing that kind of work to getting into the contract?
Eso es lo que está ahí.
We've always did a lot of
¿Le
things
sacas esto
on
aquí?
the side, you know.
Dime.
O así mismo de la pistola aquí.
No, ahí va, ahí no me
¿Y enganchar aquí nomás?
Sí, va. Por ahí
Pretty
pone,
much
con
my
la
married my
mano ahí
wife,
está.
Oh, vaya, sí.
Todavía ahí sí, todavía.
Boy, there's no easy way of getting out of here. I can't believe how long it took to get out.
Where'd you start?
Amityville.
Yeah, I know, but that's where your home office is.
Well, we have the two offices. I have one here in Amityville, and then my manufacturing plant is in Phoenixville.
Aplasta bien, seguro que está en la línea ahí. Aplasta bien.
Yep.
Pepa, allá está en la línea, Pepa. Yep. Hay 8 más.
Okay, measure it out. See if you got a full form or a piece.
¿De cuánto pies?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but do you want a short piece on the end?
Yeah,
Or
that'll
does
be
it matter?
That'll be fine. How long is your short?
It's only like 10 inches,
That'll be fine. You'll get at least two, if it's 10 inches, you'll get two cross pieces.
Cuando pongas esta vamos a ir allá.
Y vas corto la tierra.
Yeah, so you didn't work for DOB, you worked for,
I worked for DLB for a little while.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I was in local 94 for a little while. Right after
¿De dónde cae 12 y medio?
30.
Okay.
Y aquí, ¿ves?
I actually, if you look at the New York City code book, I'm the one who wrote the code for ICF and like
Date
that.
cuenta, no me
Really?
pedazos que vamos a meter acá.
Rick, do you remember when they used to have the MEA numbers?
No.
MEA
Ambos lados
numbers
es
were
igual.
mechanical engineer numbers, which was ludicrous because it's like, it's like with concrete forms, there was never an MEA number, but they wanted it for ICF, and it said, so what we had to originally call, we had to call it a poured concrete wall